of AI in the kitchen are undeniable, it's crucial to address the ethical considerations that arise. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for job displacement. As robots and AI systems become more sophisticated, they may take over tasks traditionally performed by human chefs and cooks. This raises concerns about unemployment and the need for retraining programs to equip culinary professionals with new skills. Another concern is food safety. As with any technology, AI systems are vulnerable to errors or malfunctions. A bug in the system could lead to incorrect cooking times or improper handling of ingredients, potentially resulting in foodborne illnesses. Therefore, rigorous safety protocols and regulations are essential to ensure the responsible and safe implementation of AI in the culinary world. Transparency is also crucial, allowing consumers to make informed choices about the food they eat and how it's prepared. Section 5. A delicious collaboration, the future of AI and human chefs. The future of cooking is not about AI replacing human chefs. It's about finding ways for both to work together to create culinary experiences that are both innovative and delicious. Imagine a world where AI assists chefs in developing new recipes, analyzing flavor profiles from around the world, and suggesting unexpected ingredient combinations. Human chefs can then use their creativity and expertise to refine these suggestions, adding their unique touch and artistry to the final dish. This collaboration can push the boundaries of culinary arts, leading to new and exciting flavors and dining experiences. Furthermore, AI can enhance the dining experience itself. Imagine personalized menus that adapt to individual dietary restrictions and preferences, or interactive tables that allow diners to visualize different dishes and customize their orders. The possibilities are endless. Section 6. Finding the right blend. Technology and creativity in the kitchen. AI's entry into the culinary world marks a significant shift, challenging traditional notions of cooking and raising questions about the future of food. While concerns about job displacement and food safety are valid and need to be addressed carefully, the potential benefits of this technology are too great to ignore. AI can enhance efficiency, consistency, and even creativity in the kitchen. However, it's crucial to remember that technology should complement, not replace, the human element in cooking. The heart of cooking lies in passion, creativity, and the joy of sharing a delicious meal. As we embrace the future of food, it's essential to find the right balance between technological advancements and the irreplaceable artistry of human chefs. This harmonious blend of tradition and innovation will shape the culinary landscape for generations to come.